So we are back again using the strategy that I've been showing you of trading volatility 75 index. The same strategy that we've been using to trade volatility 75 index. Today we are just trading boom 500. Boom 500. I just stumbled upon this because I marked these levels, I think, last month. So I just stumbled upon this. I was just checking volatility 75, and I just thought, let me look at what's happening on boom. And by chance, I found that price was already at my support level, and I am not wasting time just to see where it can go. That's why I've not maximized the lot sizes that I've used there. I've not maximized the loss sizes that I've used there because these I just saw by chance. If it's a loss, then I did not risk too much. But if it goes in my favor, I'll be happy because I was not even expecting to just stumble upon price sitting there. There are many videos that I've posted on this channel. When you finish watching this video, you find those videos on this channel. I think I've shown you how to do this on boom and crash as well, not just a volatility 75 index. Once you understand a concept and you practice with it, some of these concepts that people look down upon, supply and demand, support and resistance, trend lines, some of these concepts do work. I'm not saying my way is the correct way or is the only way. No, I'm not saying that. But once you master some of these things, the key is finding something that works for you. There are millions of trading strategies out there, but you cannot trade with all the million trading strategies that are out there. Just find something that is easy for you, that you can understand, that you can use in your own trading, even with your eyes closed, and just maximize on that thing. I will tell you, there are many people who tell you supply and demand, support and resistance strategies don't work. Yes, for them they don't. Good, we are now in blues. Same idea. I'm going to close some of these trades. Then I'm just going to leave one in the chamber. Maybe I should have probably taken some good lot sizes here, but anyway, like I said, I just stumbled on this. I was not exactly expecting to find price just sitting on that support level, but anyway, maybe it shows that the strategy works most of the time, underline most of the time, not all of the time. There's nothing like a strategy that gives you money 100% of the time. For example, here prices could have easily fallen there, but it is what it is. It is what it is. So I was saying, find something that works for you. Find something that works for you. I've tried hundreds of strategies. I promise you, I tried hundreds of strategies, and yeah, I ended up deciding to just mostly getting rid of the many strategies that I tried, because I would fail today, tomorrow I'm on another strategy. I fail today, tomorrow I'm trying another strategy, and I found that I was not actually going anywhere. So eventually I went back to the basics. The basics of trading is supply and demand. So that's what I try to trade. It's not the only way to trade the markets. Of course, there are many ways to trade the strategy, but so far for me, this has been working. Whether I'm trading forex, whether I'm trading synthetic indices, whether I'm trading indices, crypto. Well, I'm trading crypto. This has certainly worked for me, so I'm sticking with it. Yeah, one in the chamber, and then I'll just move my stop loss to just trail it a bit, and I hope this candle doesn't spike when I've just closed all my trades. But anyway, let's just see if I can do this. Let's see. Okay, by the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future. It happened. Closed out too early. Anyway, it's not a loss, so it's not a bad day. It was not a loss, so it's not a bad day. It could have gone the other way, but at least I got out with a few dollars. Of course, I probably should have held a little bit longer, but anyway, the key is to always be safe and make money and survive for another day. That's the key to trading. You don't want to just risk everything. So let's just do that. Should have left all my trades in, but anyway, it is what it is. We take what the market gives us. So I hope you just saw that with a basic approach to trading, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to do this. You can actually make some money with basic concepts. Just stick with what you know. Just stick with what's working for you. Don't be sold on trying millions of trading strategies each and every day. I tried it. It doesn't get you anywhere. Just more and more frustrations. Find a simple concept, trade with it. Indicators. Somebody asked me the other day, indicators. Do I trust indicators? I tried thousands of indicators, indicator combinations, and everything. For me, it was just a nightmare. That's why I ended up going backward to the basics. I tried thousands of indicators. I'm not saying they don't work. They do work because indicators are based on some complex maths. You just need to understand the math behind the indicator that you are using and trying as much to enhance it to make you some money. But but for me, I ended up removing most of the indicators of my chart. So now I basically just look out for these resistance areas. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. If you are looking to download stuff, forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you do not find what you are looking for. About the broker that I use, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see. Yeah, you'll be happy with them. You can start trading real accounts just from $5 and $10, and you'll be fine. Okay, so yeah, this is what happened on Boom 500. Should have made a lot of money if I left my trades running, but anyway, it is what it is. Guys, I'll check you in the next video. When you finish watching this video and you wonder how does this guy trade, what is he doing, there are videos on this channel regarding how I trade, so go and just watch those videos. Subscribe, like the video. Until next time, bye.